Web Dynpro is a proprietary web application technology developed by SAP SE that focuses on the development of server-side business applications. One of its main design features is that the user interface is defined in an entirely declarative manner. Web Dynpro applications can be developed using either a Java or ABAP flavor. The earliest version of Web Dyn in 2003 and was based on Java. This variant was released some 18 months before the ABAP variant. The Java variant of Web Dynpro experienced limited commercial success, and as of 2010, has been placed in maintenance. This means that the existing product is supported to the extent that any bugs are fixed. However, no new functionality will be added. SAP's development effort is now focused on the ABAP variant of Web Dynpro. WD follows a design architecture based on an interpretation of the MVC design pattern and uses a model-driven development approach. The Web Dynpro framework is a server-side runtime environment into which many dedicated hook methods are available. The developer then places their own custom coding within these hook methods in order to implement the desired business functionality. These hook methods belong to one of the broad categories of either lifecycle and round-trip. That is, those methods that are concerned with the lifecycle of a software component, and those methods that are concerned with processing the fixed sequence of events that take place during a client-initiated round trip to the server. It is intended for the development of business applications that follow standardized UI principles, connect to back-end systems and are scalable. Main disadvantages: renders improperly in any browser but Internet Explorer, not even in newer versions without using the compatibility view. Proprietary code base, only operates on SAP servers. Some bundled UI elements are reproductions of standard HTML elements and do not gracefully degrade. HTML generated by WD is neither semantic nor readily readable. Many UI layout elements are combinations of deeply nested tables, divs, and spans. For example, rather than utilizing a field set for the group UI element, WD recreates it with two spans surrounding a two-row table with further spans, a div, and a WBR for a total of 13 elements. Less flexible due to requirement that interface be made up of WD UI elements. To reduce the limitations, several measures have been taken. For example, WD supports so-called islands for example Flash applications that enrich the Web Dynpro UI element collection by rich UI elements. This disadvantage doesn't seem so serious, but in fact basic features that a user would expect cannot be implemented, for example colored rows in a table, colors in general, advanced alignment of simple UI elements, selecting multiple rows in tree-like tables and many more. Utilizing such an island requires the developer to forego WD UI elements within. Rendering speed in browser for larger tables, very bad performance and slow speed, maximum time the browser timeout before further processing. Main advantages: typed access for design time checks, for example navigation links and messages are accessed via types instead of string keys like in JSF, diverse services for back-end access, like ARFC, JE and Web Service Data Models, integration with SAP Interactive Forms by Adobe, which are interactive PDF forms, during design and runtime, integration with Business Process Management and Business Rules Management, designed to support development of large-scale applications by adding multiple grouping layers on top of Java packages, runs on different clients for example web browser, mobile device, widget engine, comes with a big collection of UI elements providing a wealth of functionality and only have to be configured but not programmed. References. External links: Web Dynpro ABAP or Web Dynpro Java discussions, blogs, documents and videos on the SAP Community Network, Web Dynpro for Java Mind Map.